What's up, everybody? We're here at Rocket Park in Anoka. Everybody kind of knows that Rocket Park has been neglected and lackluster the last couple of years, to say the least. So over the last year, we've been working with the City Council and Parks Board here in Anoka to try and secure some funds to help renovate the park and redo it. So, a bunch of you guys have donated in store and through the GoFundMe, which is awesome, and we've been having great feedback there. But what we're doing next is a raffle for a bunch of sick prizes. So the raffle is $5 per entry. You can have unlimited entries. You'll have prizes like shoes, decks, shirts, sweatshirts, a lawn chair, sunglasses, and a bunch of other goods that you can win. We'll be collecting entries all month long, and then we will announce them at the end of the month. So if you're interested in donating to the park in a sense, but also having the opportunity to win sick stuff, this is the event, or this is the raffle for you. So all going to our good cause. We're not taking anything from this. All the prizes have been donated to us from various companies. So everything proceeds wise is going to go straight to the park. So it should be rad. We will see you soon.